Dear friends, hi, this is Nick Polishkin. I'm the founder and CEO of Vera Fund. Today we are in our office in Fort Lauderdale and we will discuss the year of 2022, how many properties we acquired, how many properties we have under management now, and what our goals and what our strategy is for year of 2023. So year of 2022 was a very interesting year in terms of investments in real estate. We acquired 3 commercial properties, 1 retail plaza in Dania Beach, 1 office building in city of Boca Raton, and another office building in the city of Fort Lauderdale on Oakland Park Boulevard. Combined, the total square footage of all the buildings is more than 50,000 square feet. Right now, we have properties under management in amount of 10. It's 10 commercial buildings in South Florida. For the last year, we were able to meet and work with 12 new investors with Vera Fund. They're all accredited investors. Some of them live locally here in the state of Florida, some of them live outside of the US, and some of them live in other states. The market been very challenging. It was very hard to find properties in the beginning of 2022. Towards the end, with the rise in interest rates, we saw the influx of commercial properties. Mostly it was triple N properties where there are long-term contracts and the increase in rent was no more than 3%, while the inflation was more than 7%. So definitely those properties were sold or were still for sale, but the problem is there was no added value potential or potential to increase revenue with these properties. Our niche, what we do with Vera Fund, we buy properties where we can add value, which are located in the locations with the potential of new construction or adding value through adding square footage or increasing the rent in the buildings. Also, every property we buy, we analyze from the standpoint of zoning and added value potential. And we always have an exit strategy for each single one of the properties we buy. For year of 2023, our niche and focus will be commercial properties in the segment of below 50,000 square feet, which are located in prestigious locations where you have walking distance to shops, restaurants, and upscale neighborhoods. Our strategy is certain, and we focused also on executive suites. Executive suites concept was performing very well for us. We have 3 buildings with executive suites concept, and for year 2022, the average occupancy rate was 94%, which is definitely above average. And even in downturn times, executive suites perform very well. They have occupancy levels above 80%. And we strongly believe that the migration of people into Florida and working from home, and also larger corporation downsize to smaller offices will boost our business, and not only in the state of Florida, but also on the West Coast, East Coast. And for year of 2023, we have a goal to expand to 1 more state. So this was the strategy and overview of 2022. Hope you enjoyed it. This was Nick Polishkin. Thank you so much. Subscribe to our channel and see you next time.